Hello friends. Are you seriously looking for a fit body but really occupied in your busy schedule and running short of time to exercise? Then we have something for you. This Dairy-Free Keto Recipe Cookbook will provide you with the answers to your most pressing questions. Here you will find: Number 1. The whole chapter introduces you to the basics of a dairy-free diet, the list of plant-based milks and where the dairy hides. Number 2. 2-week Dairy-Free Keto Meal Plan to speed up your weight loss and transform your body. Number 3. The another chapter will reveal the secret of the ketogenic diet, classic keto versus modified keto. Number 4. Dairy-free keto recipes that help make your life and the lives of your family a lot easier and delicious. Number 5. The recipes are split up into breakfasts, lunch meals, and dinner meals, enabling you to easily incorporate the meals into your daily meal plans. Number 6. The guide to non-dairy ketogenic diet for beginners and advanced connoisseurs. Number 7. Every recipe lists serving quantity, prep time, cook time, easy-to-follow ingredients, preparation instructions, images and nutritional information to keep you on track. Dairy-Free Keto Cookbook that is written by author of Adele Baker. The benefits of a dairy-free diet could be personal or include skin and digestive health or weight loss. Whatever your goals, let this Dairy-Free Keto Cookbook be your guide to the world of dairy-free keto cooking. So, highly recommend in this video description link to click buy now and start cooking today. You make the difference. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to click the bell to join notification squad.